the portfolio via the pro account with SmugMug. Hi, I'm Rebecca. In this video I will try my best to explain the differences between the portfolio account with SmugMug and the pro account with SmugMug. I've used SmugMug for a number of years now. I've used all the accounts over the years. At the moment I have the Power Plan, which is just a website which I use for my dogs, and I have the Pro account, which is the top level SmugMug account, which I use for my photography. So with all SmugMug plans you get the unlimited photo storage, which is for JPEGs, GIFs, PNGs, and you can also upload videos to a SmugMug gallery. Now once you upload your photos or videos to a SmugMug gallery, they are a client gallery. You can email a SmugMug gallery out with your images or share it online through Facebook, Messenger, text message, however you want to share a gallery. You can send that SmugMug gallery out. You can create a portfolio of your images. You can create a full, as many pages website as you like I have with my dogs. It's about 40 pages now. But once you get to the portfolio and the pro account, you've unlocked the selling tools. So you can start setting your own price for the prints, products, digital downloads and your videos through the SmugMug gallery and start making money with your photography. But there are a lot of differences between using the portfolio and using the pro account. Because a lot of people just think you have one price list with the portfolio account and you've got loads of price lists with the pro account, which is true, but there's a lot more to it than that. So once you get to the portfolio and the pro account level, you can start watermarking your images, which is sending out. So you can either upload your own PNG or JPEG to watermark the images, or you can create a watermark within SmugMug, which is really easy to do, and I've got a video how to do that. Your price list. If you go to the selling tools in the top bar on the portfolio or pro account, you can then create your own price list. So you'll go to the selling tools, manage price lists, and here are your price lists. On the portfolio account, you will have a blue star, and that is your active price list. So although you only have one price list, you can create lots and lots and lots of different price lists, but only one will be active. Wherever the blue star is, which you want to have as your active price list, that price list will be applied to every SmugMug gallery where the shopping cart has been switched on. So for example, you can create a price list just for downloads, a price list for prints, a price list with lots of different, like wall art, keepsakes, downloads, but only the price list you choose as your active price list will be the one applied to the galleries within the portfolio account. Where when it comes to the pro account, you can again create all those different price lists, and then you go into the price list, so you edit the price list and choose the gallery you would like the particular price list to be applied to. So if you're selling videos, you can apply a video price list to videos. If you're selling just downloads off a certain gallery, you can apply just the downloads to a gallery. You can apply a price list to a single photo. That is one big difference. But moving to the pro account now, you can now start offering special offers. Everyone loves special offers. Okay, deal of the day, clearance, special offers. People live for special offers. They go into a website, they don't even know why they went in there in the end, because the head goes when they see special offer. Now what you can do, if you go to your selling tools, you want coupons. Now once you go into coupons, you get amount off, percentage, you can offer free shipping, and you can do at cost. Now if we start with amount off is money off, but it's not just money off. So if you've got your gallery set up, your price list set up, you're not just going to say, well, you got £10. You can create a coupon code, save 10. But what you can do is restrict it. So when you go to create your coupon, at the top you've got restrictions. So now you can go in restrict the date, so how long the coupon's going to last. You can restrict the amount they spend, so they have to spend, say, 300 quid to save £15. So that coupon will not work unless they spend a certain amount. And you can also apply the coupon to just a single gallery. If you set the coupon up and don't choose a gallery, it will be applied to all your galleries, or you'll be able to use it on all the galleries. But if you pick a particular gallery, that coupon you create for, say, £10 off or £15 off will only be able to be used on the gallery you choose, which is great. So again, you can create loads and loads and loads of different coupons. And the way you could use that, you could put that, if you're selling prints online and you want a special offer, what you can do, say £10 off prints. Now, if you're selling a print for £30, you're not going to offer £10 off, but what you can do is restrict the amount they spend before they get the £10 off. And that's how special offers work. And you're going to restrict the time as well. So you would put on your website, special offer, save £10 when you spend over £150, offer ends in a week's time. And what will happen with the coupon within your SmugMug account, once it gets to the end date when the coupon is finished, then it will just disappear. It will disappear out of your own account settings where the coupons are. You can do the same with the percentage off. So again, with the money off or the percentage off, if you are sending a client gallery out, you can also send them a coupon code once you've applied it to the particular gallery, what you are sending to them. You can add free shipping, and again you can restrict, which is great, because you don't want someone just buying one print and then getting free shipping. You want to restrict it so that they have to spend a certain amount to be able to get the money off, which is going to increase your sales. At cost is ideal for your family, really. Even friends, they can have it at discount. If you're in business, you can just stick a couple of quid. You've got that many price lists you can make. Stick a couple of quid on and tell them they're having it at cost. But really, it's up to you how you run your business. But you can send your mum a gallery and she can have it at cost because you've got that ability there to do that. Also, this is a big one, you can create packages. Now what you will do here, again, selling tools, packages, manage packages. You can go in and create a package, so you can put your wall art, some prints, downloads, and create a whole package for a certain amount of money. Apply that again to a certain gallery, or leave it off and it will be on all the galleries. And how that appears is when they click on the photo, as well as it's saying buy photo, it will say view packages. But you can have more than one package. So you can create quite a few packages, but don't overdo it. And I'm not telling you what to do, but 3. You don't want to confuse them with too much choice. Right, you want 1, 2, 3, ABC, top, middle or bottom. Well expensive, most popular and on a budget. So they're going to be guided up to your most popular package, or what you're wanting out of the photo shoot, or what you're wanting out of your prints, what figure money-wise, okay? But if you give them too much choice, you will confuse them. But what you'll do with the packages again is pick your print lab. You can choose your galleries again, where you want the package to appear. Choose your products, choose your print lab, where it's going to come from, and choose the amount of money, what you're going to be charging, or the amount of profit, what you want out of that package, which is really good. Because what you can also do, once you've created your package or packages and applied them to the gallery, is still give them the money off if they spend a certain amount, or percentage off if they spend a certain amount. But what you could do here, if you've got a choice of 3 packages. Say you've got one in the middle for 350 quid. You can send a coupon, spend over £400, save 25 quid. So you're nudging them up all the time to increase your sales, because they'll look and think, well, if we spend another 50 quid, if they're going for the 350 quid package, we'll save £25. And that's how people think. They're always looking for an offer. They always want a bargain and think that they're getting something free. Within the package, you can label it up that they're saving 200 quid by buying a package, and then they'll save another 25 quid of something worth 50 quid, and you're nudging it up all the time. And all you've got to think of is ballpoint figure what you want out of your photo shoot, or out of each sale what you're creating, and that's what the Pro account can do for you. You can also have personal delivery. So once your client receives the gallery, they order, but their order will be delivered to you, so you can check over the products. You can invite them back to the studio to go through their items which they've ordered. You can also have boutique packaging, which I think is about £6 extra with Loxley Colour, but you can put that into your costings, where you'll have a box with tissue paper for the prints. I think it's 11x14 is the maximum size in the box, with a little bow on, so it's all nicely packaged. There is a lot more between the portfolio and the Pro account, what you can do. And as it says, marketing tools, that's exactly what it is. You've got your marketing tools for your special offers, what you can create. You've got your packages, what you can create. Personal delivery. And there's one more thing, a new feature. With all the SmugMug plans, you can download, there's download buttons on your gallery. So you can switch the download buttons on. So if you've sold a photo shoot for X amount of pounds, and you've said includes all digital downloads, you switch the download buttons on and they can download the images. But what you can do with the Pro account now is restrict the amount of downloads. This is only available with the Pro account. And to do that, you will go to the gallery you'd like to set this up for, view it on site, so view on photo site. So you're on the gallery. So for example, right, you're going to sell a photo shoot including 1 free digital download. Yep. So you've got your gallery, view on photo site. Now in the top right corner there's 3 dots in a vertical line. Click that, and at the bottom it says client download. If you click that, you can set up how many downloads they can have. So you'll have organised before how many downloads, whether it's 1, 3, 10. So you can send them 200 images, but they're allowed to download 1. You'll set this up and get another link. So you'll send them the original link, and you'll also send them the extra link you've set up, which will say you're going to get 1 free download. And it's really good, because I totally get why they've done it this way. If you send out a client gallery, a SmugMug gallery, client gallery, what they do is share it to all the friends. Now, if you've got free download on there, if they go and take their go, as it is, because it is like you've got 1 go, 1 download, if they take that go, it's done them, hasn't it? It's done the client. So the client has a separate gallery to take their download from, but they've still got the original gallery to share to the world. I totally understand that. But if you want to give them, say you can give them how many you want of those downloads, but you can restrict it, which is really, really good. And you can't do that with any of the other plans. That is really good for being able to sell a photo shoot, including 1 or 3 or however many downloads you want to do. So that's another extra new feature as I'm doing this video. So let's give you a bit of an insight into the difference between the portfolio and the Pro account. Okay, I do have a discount myself off any of the SmugMug plans, which is in the video description. You don't need any discount code with that one. All you do is click the link and it will register and deduct the money off. Okay, I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.